Hello everyone, this is Zhou Chen. Welcome to Wellcam. Today I'm going to introduce to you our classic folding container house. Wellcam folding container house can be set up in 4 minutes with minimum labor. Size like a 20 feet container, 14 square meter area, 1 door, 2 windows, 100% waterproof and fireproof. 12 houses can be loaded into 140 feet high cube with minimum labor, boosting efficiency by 80% and reducing cost. This house has been developed since 2014 by our own company. 2.5mm galvanized and painted steel structure, fire and waterproof sandwich panel (EPS sandwich panel), insulated roof, stainless steel hinges, enhanced floor and roof. It can be expected with 15 to 20 years lifespan and over 50 times folding cycles. Loading rollers to make it easy to load and unload. Built-in lights, sockets, switches and wiring for conveniences. Ideal for offices, dormitories, storages, laboratories, etc. in mining camps, refugee camps, construction camps, disaster relief and restrooms. Contact us for more details.